Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Sabocoin. Its price prediction this year mega bullion because friends this is one of all meme coin just like Baby Dogecoin, Kishu Inu and Shiba Inu, and that's why it's possible that this meme coin can also make a massive high when we see again BTC new all-time high and a mega bullion in meme coins at that time. Definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coin. Current price $0.0046, pumped by 21% last 24 hours. You can see, friends. So a massive pump in this coin. You can see coin was initially trending on $0.0038, make a massive pump, hit $0.0046. So almost 20% pump. Okay, right now, so this is good. Last 9 days, 35% pump. Last 30 days, 25% pump. Current market $16.1 million. So this is good. Market is good. $6.6 million trading volume, and all-time high was $0.24. So performance from this coin is no doubt good. You can see, friends, all-time low price was on May 23rd, 2021. Okay, so almost 4 years old meme coin. As I will show you that just like Ishuno and all other meme coins, 3.6 billion circulation and total supply is 4.7 billion. So this is good. You can check out all other details here also. Friends, these are some central exchanges where this coin is listed. OKX has already listed this coin. Bitget has listed MEXC, Gauge.io, KuCoin. Kraken exchange has listed. So this is amazing, friends. You see Kraken, Gemini has already listed this coin. So some best centralized UX centralized exchanges is also listed this coin. CoinX is here. So if you not have CoinX and KuCoin exchange account, it I already provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges CoinX and KuCoin, where you can get all newly launched best meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. Friends, this is amazing that this coin is already listed in Kraken and Gemini, so maybe it's possible. Just like Baby Dogecoin, they was listed in Binance exchange last year, so maybe it's possible in this year this Samo coin can be next listing for maybe Binance and Coinbase. So friends, I see all-time low price was on okay 0.3 times $0.66, and all-time high price was $0.23. We are 98% down than all-time high. This is Solana ecosystem dog theme meme coin. And friends, I see website is also looking good. Solana first meme coin. Okay, so they are claiming that this was the first meme coin in Solana ecosystem. Its name is Samo, but I think that was Bonk, Okay, but Bonk is already listed in many major central exchanges, just like Coinbase, Binance. But this meme coin is still not on Binance, Coinbase, but they are claiming they were the first ever meme coin in Solana chain. You can see the very first meme coin and dog money on Solana chain. Okay, so maybe it can be true also. So right now coin has good performance. You can check out all further details here on their website. Again, they have mentioned their central exchanges where this coin is listed. I can see friends, KuCoin and Kraken has listed, Gemini has listed. So these are some major listing for this coin already, and maybe it's possible that we can see this coin to go moon also. Tokenomics is also good, and 66% token are burned. You can see, friends, 66% supply is burned. So this is really amazing, friends. You can see Samo total right now in circulation has 4.7 billion coins. This is really amazing, and coin launched in April 2021, the first meme coin in Solana ecosystem. And in 2022 they made some developments. So last 5 years, almost 4 to 5 years, this coin is in crypto market right now and is still active community. So this is really amazing, friends, and maybe it's possible that we can see this meme coin to make a massive hype. 191,000 followers on X. So this is really amazing, friends. You can see 191,000 holders for the followers for this coin, the first meme coin on Solana chain. Number of followers are amazing, friends. 2021. You can see, friends, April 2021. This meme coin was launched here, and right now its community is also active. So this is really good. Francis, now 5 years for this meme coin, and still this community is active. I can see one day ago they have posted about this coin, and 3 days ago the 20% pump. So this is really good that 5 years old meme coin for 5 years old meme coin is still active in crypto markets. So this is good. But friends, personally, I'm still not holding this coin because I'm already holding one of all meme coin in Solana chain, that is Bonk, on Binance Exchange. But friends, still I'm not holding this coin. But now maybe I can buy this meme coin also, because as I'll show you on their website on X, that it was the first ever meme coin in Solana chain. So maybe make an hype in the coming few weeks, or maybe in coming few months we can see mega bull run again in Solana chain meme coins. At that time, maybe it's possible this Samo coin can be the next $1 billion market. My price prediction for this coin is no doubt, maybe it's possible that we can see this market from just 21 million up to $3 to $5 billion here. It's really possible, friends, because maybe it's possible that we can see this market from just $3 to $5 billion. There's still lots of central exchange listing left for this coin. Binance, Coinbase, lots of central exchanges still no list this coin. And because this was the one first ever meme coin in Solana chain also, so that's why meme coin is very unique. Maybe it's possible that we can see market cap from just 21 million up to $3 to $5 billion here. But maybe I can also hold some this coin also. What's your price prediction? Are you holding some or not? You must comment down below.